Hi, I'm Stu and welcome to Mérida in Mexico. Now, Mérida is a city in southern Mexico and I've been here for about 2.5 weeks now, so I've got to know the city pretty well. And some interesting things about this place is Mérida is Mexico's hottest city, hottest by being temperature-wise. It's just before Christmas here, it's winter and it's 31 degrees today. Even though it's a bit cloudy and there's been a little bit of rain for the first time during the day for a while. And the second thing that is impressed about this place is, although it's known as the safest city in Mexico, it's also the 57th safest city in the world. Now you might not think that's quite impressive, but when you look at a list on the screen now and you can look at other cities around the world that are just as safe, and when you think that Mexico has got such a negative vibe from other people around the world, it's worth visiting. So it's time to give you a quick tour of the city. Let's go.
Pan adhiere el molde del horno, tornearse debajo de la tierra, es con automáticamente y a fuerza puede recibir el título, o sea, parte de la historia, que son los españoles que introducen la proteína de los ganados como alimento activo. Estas son dos cosas, el recado rojo y el jugo de naranja agria, además de la proteína del cerdo. ¿Qué es el recado rojo? El recado rojo es un derivado del achiote. El achiote es todo este árbol que podemos observar, ¿ok? En esas cápsulas de color verde que pasan a quedar de color marrón y cuando se encuentren así secas, nos dicen que se encuentran listas para hacer pasta achiote, que solamente la moliendo de la...
We've just turned up at this square and there's big queues of people everywhere. So expecting someone famous to come out to do something, and a car pulled up about 10 minutes ago. This guy got out with security and started shaking hands and getting his photograph taken with everybody. Not got a clue who it was, but if you can tell me who it was, here he is.
¿Cómo están? Bien, bien. Hola, ¿cómo están? Buenas. Gracias. Ustedes están empezando.
Este paseo navideño lo tenemos en Mérida, pero también lo vamos a tener en
So that's the guy behind me, and I'm just guessing he's a politician, and the reason he's here is to open up the Christmas garden behind us. So I've just come out of the hostel after showing a photograph of the guy we saw earlier, and it seems that he's the governor of Yucatan, which is the state that we're in. He's very popular according to receptionist, and he is possibly a future president of Mexico. Who knew? And that's the mystery solved. Now it's 6 days until Christmas Day, and all around the city you've got decorations, you've got people getting excited for Santa coming, and in the main square behind me you've got the nativity scene, including the Christmas elephant. So that was Mérida, and after 2 weeks of being here, me and the travel buddy Shane are heading away in a couple of days time, and we're heading for Tulum. Mérida, for any backpacker, is absolutely beautiful. It's safe, it is touristy, and most of all, there's plenty of hostels here to choose from. Definitely worth the visit if you're in the area. But for now, it's time for me to go. If you like this video, press the like button. If you want to subscribe, press subscribe. And more importantly, if you know anyone, and I say this all the time, that wants to go backpacking, that needs that extra push, share this video with them. Tell them what a delight it is. But until next time, see you later.